What's up, amazing people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video where I get to show you about avocado hair oil treatment. I'll start by showing you the ingredients that we need in this process. We'll need to use honey, we'll need to use oil, which can either be coconut oil, olive oil, or depending on the oil that you have in the house. We'll need avocados. I decided to take 3 because they were too small and I needed a lot of this. If you have one avocado, it can work. Go ahead and try it. We'll definitely need a carrier bag, but I didn't end up using it because the mixture formulated so well that it didn't have any residues between that needed to be extracted. We'll definitely need a blender because we need to come up with a fluid type of thing so that we can make sure that the product, or rather the avocado, gets to enter into our hair and our scalp. So I'm now just going to go ahead and cut the avocados into pieces of 2. That's how they look, but I ended up using 2.5. So I'm now going to extract the avocado as I put it inside my blender. I'm also going to add one spoon of honey and also add water and head over to do the blending part of it. So I alternated my blending and made sure that my mixture of avocado and water and honey was as thick as possible. I didn't want it to become so watery so that it could stay in my hair for some time. I then went ahead to discard the mixture from the blender to a sufuria. I first of all started by adding the oil, which is in my case I have coconut oil and a little bit of amla. I transferred it into the sufuria and then added the avocado mixture into the sufuria. I went ahead to heat the combination of my coconut oil, amla oil, and avocado for about 3 minutes until it started producing some bubbles. This made me know that the mixture is now good to use, but I definitely had to give it some time to cool off so that I wouldn't burn my scalp. I then went ahead to undo the 2 chunky twists that I had on my head. This was to make sure that as I apply the avocado protein treatment, my hair was not going to tangle. I definitely had to do a length check, and that was my hair before applying the avocado protein treatment. I now went ahead to apply the avocado protein treatment, and let me tell you, it felt so good and silky. Some of the benefits of applying avocado on your hair include moisturizing your hair. Avocado makes your hair so moisturized as it is high in healthy fats which helps to penetrate the shaft and provide deep moisturization for your hair. The other benefit of using avocado on your hair is that it's rich in nutrients. Avocado is packed with vitamins and minerals such as vitamins A, E, and D. These nutrients help to nourish the scalp and hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth and improving overall hair health. Avocado also strengthens hair. The proteins in avocado help to strengthen hair strands, reducing breakage and split ends. Regular use of avocado treatment can improve the resilience of your hair, making it less prone to heat damage. The other benefit of using avocado on your hair is that it adds shine to your hair. Avocado contains natural oils that impart a healthy shine to your hair, giving it a lustrous appearance. Avocado promotes hair growth. Massage the avocado oil into the scalp, and this will help improve the blood flow and encourage the growth of strong and healthy hair. And the last but not least benefit of using avocado is that it soothes your scalp. Let's say your scalp was irritated. Avocado helps to alleviate the condition such as dandruff or itchiness. And lastly, avocado works as a natural conditioner. Avocado can be used as a natural alternative to store-bought conditioners. Its creamy texture coats the hair, detangling and smoothing it with the need for harsh chemicals. By this time, I was done applying my avocado oil on one side of my hair, and that was how it came out looking. My hair felt so bouncy, so soft, and my scalp was so relieved. I went ahead to apply the avocado on the other side of the hair, and as you all can see, the shrinkage is real. Make sure you massage the avocado into your hair and into your scalp as well, as we have talked about it, into the benefits of the avocado protein treatment. That is my full head having the avocado oil treatment, and I felt so nice. My hair felt so soft and I just wanted to stay like this forever, but I couldn't. So once you're done applying the avocado protein treatment, go right ahead and start doing mini twists on your hair. They can be chunky, they can be mid-sized, depending on the type of size that you want them to appear on your head. Go right ahead and do the chunky twists and get a shower cap and stay with it for around 30 minutes. I then went ahead into the shower so I could rinse off the avocado from my chunky twists. I decided not to wash my hair today because I will be doing my wash day maybe 2 days after I shoot this video, and I also plan to apply aloe vera, so I decided to just rinse off and call it a night. I hope this video was beneficial to you, and I hope it challenges you to grow your natural hair and to use the protein treatment that I showed you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you comment Leave a comment down below and let me tell you how your experience goes when you use avocado on your hair. And until the next episode, bye bye, be love.